Hello friends, today we will solve a system of a Diaphontine equation which is AB plus C is equal to 23, AC plus B is equal to 24 and ABC belongs to integers and we will solve for A, B and C. So I will solve this question with two methods. First method is, so before starting the question, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe first and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of other videos. Okay, now in the first method, I will add both equations. So it will be AB plus AC plus B plus C is equal to 24 plus 23 will be 47. From these two terms, we have A is common, then it will be B plus C. And here we have B plus C is equal to 47. Now you can see that B plus C is a common factor. So B plus C will be common and it will be A plus 1 is equal to 47. Okay, now you can see that in the left hand side we have a multiplication of two factors and in the right hand side we have a number 47 which is a prime number. So I will split this 47 in the multiplication of two factors which are 47 times 1, 1 times 47. And it can also be negative 47 times negative 1 and negative 1 times negative 47. These are all possible factors of 47 because 47 is a prime number. Okay, so here we have four cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. In the first case, we have B plus C is equal to 47. In the case 1. Okay, B plus C is equal to 47 and A plus 1 is equal to 1. So from here, we can get the value of A which is equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, then what will be the values of B and C? If I will substitute this value of A in given equation 1 which is AB plus C is equal to 23, then when I will substitute A is equal to 0, it will be 0 and from here C will be equal to 23. Okay, now we have A is equal to 0 and C is equal to 23. Then what will be the value of B? If I will substitute here value of B, then B plus C is equal to 47. B is unknown and C is 23 is equal to 47. And from here, B will be equal to 24. When I will take this 23 to the right hand side, then 47 minus 23 will be 24. Okay, so here we have a triplet. A is 0, B is 24 and C is 23 in case 1. Now we'll solve for case 2. In the case 2, we have B plus C is 1 and A plus 1 is 47. B plus C is equal to 1 and A plus 1 is equal to 47. Okay, so from here A will be equal to 46. If A is equal to 46, then I will again substitute this 46 in this equation which is AB plus C is equal to 23. Then it will be 46B plus C is equal to 23. Okay, now we have this equation and also we have B plus C is equal to 1. Now we have a system of equation. If I will subtract both equations, then from here this C and C will be cancelled out and it will be 45B is equal to 22. So B will be equal to 22 divided by 45, which is not an integer. That means this is not a possible solution. Okay, now we'll check for case 3. In case 3, we have B plus C is negative 47 and A plus 1 is negative 1. B plus C is equal to negative 47 and A plus 1 is negative 1. So in this case, we have A is equal to negative 2. When I will substitute this a is equal to negative 2 in first equation, which is ab plus c is equal to 23, then it will be negative 2b plus c is equal to 23, and another equation is b plus c is equal to negative 47. When we will solve these two equations, if I will subtract both of them, then it will be negative 3b and it will be negative 3b is equal to 70. So from here b will be equal to 70 divided by negative 3, which is also not an integer. That's mean this case will also be rejected. Okay, now last case, which is case 4. In case 4, we have b plus c is equal to negative 1 and a plus 1 is equal to negative 47. So from here a will be equal to negative 48. When I will substitute this value of a in this equation, so it will be negative 48b plus c is equal to 23, and the other equation is b plus c is equal to negative 1. So subtracting both equations, then it will be negative 49b is equal to 24. And b will be equal to 24 divided by negative 49. So this solution will also be rejected because b is an integer and it is not an integer. So the only triplet for this Diaphontine equation is 0, 24 and 23. Now I will solve this question with second method. And in the second method, I will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So it will be AC plus B is equal to 24 and AB plus C is equal to 23. Then change its signs. Then it will become AC minus AB plus B minus C is equal to 1. From here we have A is common, then it will be C minus B. If I will take negative 1 is common from here, then it will also be C minus B and it is equal to 1. C minus B is a common factor in both terms, then it will be C minus B times A minus 1 is equal to 1. Now you can see that in the left hand side we have a product of two factors, and in the right hand side we have 1. So 1 can be written as 1 times 1 and also negative 1 times negative 1. It's mean we have two cases here, that C minus B is equal to 1 and A minus 1 is equal to 1 also. So from here A will be equal to 2. If A is equal to 2, then I will substitute this value of A in first equation, which is AB plus C is equal to 23. Then from here it will be 2b because A is equal to 2, C is equal to 23. And the second equation is C minus B is equal to 1. Now I will subtract, then it will change its signs. This will be cancelled out and it will be 3b is equal to 23 minus 1 is 22, and b will be equal to 22 divided by 3, which is not an integer. That means this case will be rejected. Okay, now we'll solve this question with this case 2, which is C minus B is negative 1 and A minus 1 is also negative 1. C minus B will be negative 1 and A minus 1 will also be negative 1. So from here A will be equal to 0. So now you can see that it is same as in the case 1. If A is equal to 0, then B will be equal to 24. Okay, if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 24, then C minus 24 is equal to negative 1. Then from here C will be equal to 23. So from here also we have a same triplet, which is 0, 24 and 23. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do comment and share. Bye bye.